So here's a more complicated example of expanding out double brackets, this time with the letter U. I'm going to do both methods again. So I'm going to do U plus 5. I'm going to multiply that by 2U plus 1. So in our grid, we're going to remember to multiply everything together. Again, remembering that the two brackets are multiplied together. So we're going to do 2U multiplied by U. Now, here we have to remember that if we have an expression to two terms multiplied together, for example, 3x multiplied by 2x, then we can multiply the numbers separately to the algebraic letters, the variables. So we could do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then x times x, which is x squared. So in our case with 2u multiplied by u, then we're going to do 2 times 1, because u is just 1u, and we're going to do u times u, which is u squared. So we get 2u squared in here. Then we have 2u multiplied by 5. So we can follow the same principle. We can do the 2 multiplied by the 5. So we get 10, and then we've just got the u multiplied by whatever. So we've still got the u here. We're not multiplying by any other u's. So we get 10u. Then we have 1 multiplied by u, which is just u. And we have 1 multiplied by 5, which is just 5. So we get u here and 5 here. And again, we follow the same. It follows this pattern where we have 2u squared. Then we have 11 u's along that diagonal. And then we have 5. So that's our final answer. The other approach then, having u plus 5 times 2u plus 1, where we take our first term in our first bracket and multiply it by everything in the second bracket. So u times 2u plus, and then u times 1. So I'm putting a dot under them to show that I've done them. And then I'm going to have 5 times 2u, dot under there to show I've done it. And then 5 times 1, dot under there to show I've done it. Okay, so now I know I multiplied everything in the left bracket by everything in the right bracket. So to actually do those multiplications, u times 2u, we've already done just now, so we get 2u squared. We've done all of these, so I'm going to just quickly go through them. So 10u and 5. And you can see that these are like terms. So we have 2u squared. We have 11 u's all together, and we have plus 5. And you can see that's the same answer as we got for our grid method.